Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change account owner in Zendesk. All right, it's actually pretty easy to do. Well, first up, go ahead and go to this cogwheel. Just click on it and go head over to Admin Center. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to go to People. And here in the left panel, just click on it. Now, go ahead and click on Team Members. All right, you're going to want to add in the team member first. All right, for example, as you can see here, I've just added this second account of mine. So what we're going to do to do that is just go ahead and click on Create Team Member, put in the name and the email. Now, after that, just click on Next. Then you'll have to assign a role. All right, you won't be able to select the owner role. Now, once he or she receives the email or confirmation email, well, you'll have to go back to this set of page. Then go ahead and go to Accounts. Then go to Contacts right here. Click on it. As you can see here, I've added this one. So what you're going to do to add another member or team member right here is just go ahead and click on Add Billing Admin. Now go ahead and type in the search bar the particular email. All right. And once you have that selected, just go ahead and hit on Save and it will be landed right here. But as you can see here, this is my current account, which is the account owner. And this is the billing admin. So what we're going to do to change the account owner is just click on the three dots right here and click on Make Account Owner. And there will be a pop-up. You're about to change account owner. You'll no longer be able to access owner settings or access billing. If you're really sure, just go and click on the blue button, which says Change Owner. And after that, you're good to go. Okay. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.